Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're diving into our sky painting series with this vibrant orange sunset skyline. Let's get started with the materials you'll need. Feel free to pause the video here to gather everything, and don't forget, the full materials list is also in the description below. Now, let's begin by prepping the canvas. Grab your 8x10 canvas. If you'd like, you can start with a thin coat of water as a base. This step is optional, but it helps with smooth blending. You can also mix in a slow-dry blending medium if you want more time to work with the paint. We've linked to info on that medium down in the description. Creating the sunset gradient. Using your flat brush, start at the top of the canvas with a strip of yellow acrylic paint. Right below the yellow, add a swipe of orange. Blend the two colors together using side-to-side brush strokes. This creates the top of your sunset sky. Continue blending downward. Next, blend some red into the orange as you reach the bottom third of the canvas. This gradient should smoothly transition from a deep red at the bottom to a bright yellow near the top, representing the warmth around the setting sun. Take your time blending those colors, and once you're happy with the transition, let the background dry for a few minutes before moving on. Painting the sun. With the background dry, grab your yellow paint and a small round brush to paint a small semicircle at the horizon line in the center of your canvas. You might need a couple of layers to make the sun really pop against the colors. To make the sun even brighter, mix in a bit of white with your yellow paint. Adding ground and plant silhouettes. With a small detail brush, paint the silhouettes of tall grasses and plants. Start from the top and brush downward, creating varied heights and shapes for a natural effect. Follow our lead if you've never tried this technique before. Take your time to fill in this space carefully with these slight details. The black silhouette of the grass against a bright background will make this painting look stunning. Now, using your flat brush and black acrylic paint, cover the bottom of the canvas to create the ground. Add details like leaves for more depth, and keep adjusting until you're happy with the silhouettes. It's okay to take your time, even if you need to pause this video and come back when you're ready. There is no sense in rushing, so enjoy this easy acrylic project and let it brighten your day. Taking time now to add these details will result in a painting to be proud of. Don't rush, take your time, and continue to follow our lead. Additional details can include longer pieces coming out from the top of the wheat chaff, leaves on the thin stems, and shorter pieces of wheat. Soon, we will add long blades of grass across the foreground of this beautiful sunset sky. Now let's continue using black paint and the tip of a small round brush or detailer. Let's add long, curved blades of grass in varying heights. Use a light touch as you add these fine details. If you would like to learn more about easy grass painting methods, check out our step-by-step tutorial on the subject in another window and come back when you have grasped the technique. Well done! You've just finished painting this stunning orange sunset sky with us. We hope you enjoyed the process. If you had fun, don't forget to check out our book, Relax and Paint, 100 Inspiring Acrylic Prompts for Stress-Free Creativity, for more peaceful and creative projects. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more painting lessons, and explore our other videos. Happy painting, and we'll see you next time.